Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer documents to PDF. The simplest way is often right within your word processor. Look for a Save As or Export option, then select PDF from the Format drop-down. This built-in feature ensures your document's original formatting, including fonts and layouts, remains perfectly intact. You can often find additional settings here, such as options for password protection or image compression, giving you more control over your final PDF file. For quick conversions without dedicated software, online PDF converters are incredibly useful. Websites like Adobe Acrobat Online Small or I Love PDF allow you to upload your document and receive a PDF in moments. These services support a wide range of file types, from Word documents to spreadsheets. Just remember to consider file size limitations, which are typically around 50 megabytes, and always be aware of the privacy policies when uploading sensitive information to third-party platforms. Beyond basic conversion, you can enhance your PDFs with advanced features. Many tools allow you to combine several documents into one cohesive PDF, perfect for reports or presentations. You can also optimize the file size, making it easier to email or upload to websites, often reducing it by 20 to 30%. For sensitive information, add password protection or restrict printing and editing, ensuring only authorized individuals can access or modify your content. If you encounter any issues, a few tips can help. First, ensure your document software is fully updated for the best compatibility. If formatting looks off, try converting your document to a different format, like rich text format, before making it a PDF. Always take a moment to review your newly created PDF thoroughly. Check that all text, images, and layouts are exactly as you intended before sharing it with anyone, saving you potential headaches later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.